So my backyard needs a lot of work, and the first of which starts with a pressure wash. So what I've got here is a pressure washer by a company called Greenworks, and this is 2100 PSI, which is actually very decent. And I went with this one specifically because I like the construction of it more than a lot of the others that were being offered on Amazon or anywhere else. And it also comes with a soap applicator. So that's actually a very good bonus because you would have to purchase that separately. And with this one, it comes right in the box. So very convenient. So let's open it up and put it together. And I'll try to be as detailed as possible with each and every step of it. So if you guys want to follow, I know it can be a pain sometimes to put these things together. So, follow along. So I'm just going to open the box, get everything out and sorted, get a sense of the user manual, get myself familiar with the parts. And yeah, enjoy chill step, and I'll see you at step 1. So the first step is putting the cover plate onto the handle, and you gotta make sure that you're using the right kind of screws because there are 3 different kinds of screws. So you just want to grab the 4 that are identical and just put them on using a screwdriver and make sure that it's tight. So after that, we're gonna put on the metal hook for the hose, and it's pretty simple. Just pinch it and put it inside the plastic locking mechanism, and that's it. There you have it. And after that, what you have to do is put on the 2 plastic parts on either side of the handle. One will be over here, and that's what I was talking about. The screw for this one is different, so it's pretty self-explanatory once you hold it in your hand. So just make sure that it's the right one, and same thing on the other side. You just gotta make sure that the orientation of these parts are right as well. So for this one, it has to be upright, and just put your screwdriver in, tighten it up, and that's it. That's pretty much it for the handle. So according to the manual, you're supposed to put the handle first onto the main machine here, but I think it's best if we put the wheels on first, just because we have to, put it on the side, and it's gonna be a bit difficult with the handle on. So for the wheel, you insert the bolt, then the washer, then you insert it through the next step, the washer again, and then the quarter pin to lock it all in place. So make sure that you're pushing the quarter pin all the way in, just so it's secure in place and not going anywhere. And that's it. That's how you put the wheel on, and I'll do the same thing for the other side. So once the wheels are on, you just put the handle in, make sure it's hooked into place, and then you assemble the washing wand, just screwing it on. And here, I'm just putting the hose on by spinning it clockwise. A mistake that I made here was not pushing it in, because it's not gonna catch itself, so you have to push while you're spinning. So here I'm just checking how the wand actually goes on to its rest. And now for the other end, you have to put it on to the opposite end of the machine right here. Same thing, you're going to push and turn it clockwise and make sure it's tight, and that's it. The other end is for the hose that's going to provide water to the machine. And here I got the pressure tips. There are 4 that come inside the box, so you can simply pull this part back, slide the tip in, make sure you hear a click, and that's how you know that it's in. And when you want to take it out, you just pull that brass part back again and pull the tip out. It's pretty simple. And this is where the tips are gonna go. This one is for the soap, the turbo, and these are the 2 that I was a bit confused about because there was no representation in the manual. So I mean, I'm not gonna find out till I use it. So I think this one's the 25 and the other one's the 40. And here is the soap applicator. And I believe the soap applicator is housed here because it's, where else would it go? And yeah, there it is. That's the entire assembly of the Greenworks 2100 PSI pressure washer. I hope I was detailed enough with each step, and if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. And thank you so much, guys. Do subscribe if you think this was helpful.